Hello. In this video, I introduce the green cell car voltage converter, which converts 12 volts DC into 230 volts AC with a continuous output of 500 watts and a pure sine wave output. This device is the ideal solution for those who want to use their home electrical appliances while on the go. What is a voltage converter? A voltage converter, also known as an inverter, is a device that converts the 12-volt DC power from a car battery into 230-volt AC power. This allows you to use home electrical devices in the car, such as laptops, chargers, or small household appliances. Features of the green cell voltage converter. The green cell inverter provides 500 watts continuous power and 1,000 watts peak power. The pure sine wave output ensures compatibility and safe operation, even with sensitive electronic devices. The device has a 90% efficiency, which ensures energy-efficient operation. Why is pure sine wave important? Pure sine wave inverters produce AC power that matches the power supplied by the home grid. This is particularly important for sensitive electronic devices as it ensures stable and uninterrupted operation, preventing potential damage. Safety features. The green cell inverter is equipped with several safety mechanisms, including protection against overheating, overvoltage, overload, and short circuits. The built-in turbo cooling fan provides efficient cooling, preventing overheating. Accessories and connection options. The package includes a cigarette lighter socket cable and a cable for connecting directly to the battery, allowing flexible connection options. Additionally, the package contains 2 spare fuses, which can be easily replaced if needed. Applications. This inverter is an ideal choice for travel, camping, or RV trips, enabling you to use your favorite electrical devices while on the road. Summary: the green cell 500-watt car voltage converter provides a reliable and efficient solution for those who want to use their home electrical appliances while traveling. The pure sine wave output and built-in safety features guarantee safe and stable operation. Customer reviews. The product has received numerous positive reviews from users who highlight the fast delivery, excellent quality, and reliable performance. Now we move on to testing the inverter. I will try out various loads using a 12.8 volt, 30 amp hour capacity lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery is not only lightweight and compact, but also an ideal choice for the inverter due to its reliable and stable voltage output. First test, the 400-watt heater. To start, I connected a small 400-watt heater to the inverter. According to my calculations, the inverter, with its continuous output of 500 watts, should handle this without any issues. However, in reality, the inverter shut down as soon as the heater was turned on. Why did this happen? Well, the heater significantly increases its energy demand for a brief moment during startup, causing the instantaneous power consumption to surge above the 1,000-watt peak limit. Although the inverter can deliver 1,000 watts for a short period, this spike exceeded the built-in protection threshold. This means the green cell inverter's protection mechanism, which automatically shuts down in case of overload, worked perfectly, protecting the device from damage. This is an important lesson. For devices requiring a higher starting current, such as heaters or motor-driven equipment, the inverter's power reserve is not always sufficient to handle sudden spikes in consumption. Second test, LED floor lamp. For the next test, I connected a LED floor lamp to the inverter. Since LED lighting devices have minimal energy consumption and operate with a steady current draw, there were no issues here. The lamp turned on flawlessly and provided stable lighting without causing the inverter to heat up even slightly. This confirmed that the inverter is an ideal choice for smaller, low-power electronic devices that do not require a high starting current. Additionally, LED technology is extremely efficient, allowing extended use without quickly draining the battery. Third test, standing fan. During the third test, I connected a traditional standing fan. This device also has low energy requirements, and although it operates with a small motor, its starting current draw is not significant enough to cause issues for the inverter. The fan started up immediately and worked perfectly. The inverter provided a stable output, operated quietly, and the fan ran smoothly without any problems. This test further confirmed that the combination of the green cell inverter and the LiFePO4 battery is excellent for devices with low to medium energy demands, such as fans, lamps, laptops, and smaller chargers. I hope you found this detailed test useful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about the green cell inverter or the tested battery, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for joining me and see you in the next video.